So you want to be a content creator, but you're waiting until you get the best camera on the market, the best lens, lighting. You want the little mood lighting in the back, nice backdrop, the perfect mic that Michael Jackson recorded on when he was doing Thriller, the MacBook Pro with all of the fixings. You want the $300 to $500 editing software so you can make sure that the color grading is just perfect. You probably even wanted to bake you some homemade mac and cheese with the crispy top. Ooh. Quit playing yourself. This is the only thing you need right here. 4K camera, editing suite, script writer, researcher, microphone from the gods. This is all you need and you have it in your hand and you're over here watching videos talking about, I can't wait till I have the perfect setup. Shut up. Go make some content. It's the only thing you need right here. If you need a lighting source, wait till it's sunny outside. Get your ass out there. The sun is a natural light source. It's unlimited until it run out, and we're not going to be here for that, but you already know. Get to making some damn content.